Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom right corner, you'll see Me option. Tap on it. Now from there, navigate your way to settings from the top right corner of the screen. There, the second option you'll find is blocked list. Tap on it. Then beside the user that you've blocked, you'll find a small minus sign. Tap on it. Then select remove. And guys, that's it. That's how you unblock someone on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.